Welcome to Sira Farm, where we teach you various types of agriculture. So today we will talk about pig farming step-by-step beginner's guide. After watching this video, please try to share to other farmers so that they can learn from this knowledge. If you have any questions about the video, you can drop it in comments section and I will reply you immediately. Please, I want to subscribe to this channel and like this video to receive free consultation about your farming business. You can also send messages on WhatsApp, Facebook, Gmail because we want to know you and be a partner with you. Our contact is on the description and comments section. Let's start the video. Regarding pig farming, pork farming, or hog farming, pigs are omnivorous animal, which means that they consume both plants and animals. In the wild, they are foraging animals, primarily eating leaves, grasses, roots, fruits, and flowers. In confinement, pigs are fed mostly corn and soybean meal with a mixture of vitamins and minerals added to the diet. They are reared for meat and production of some snacks. The baby pigs are called piglets. Pig rearing is one of the lucrative businesses in agriculture under livestock husbandry because pigs give birth to piglets at large numbers. Since they are omnivorous animals, they can still feed on their babies when they are hungry. Therefore, pig farmers are always advised to remove the piglets from their mother as soon as they are born. Pig meats are consumed every day, and that calls for the increase in high demand for pig meats. Non-domesticated pigs move from place to place in search of food, and they feed on decayed, dirty and moldy foods. That is the reason why the grazing of pigs are always on dirty places. Pork farming is like a religion, and you need to follow certain doctrines to be a successful pig breeder around the world. Pig farming for beginners is tricky, but you can follow the steps listed below on how to farm pigs, and it becomes one of the famous pork farms in the world. Let's get started. Swine farms. Pasture. You need to have a large piggery farm with lots of grass and soil. Pigs love roaming around the farm, and it is recommended to fence the farm. Use durable woods and trees when fencing the pig farm, since large swine breeds can break then cause damage to the neighboring farm. On a barn or hut, it is quite easy to raise a gilt pig on the barn. You are required to learn the pig raising basics like making barn before venturing into the practice. Learn to keep the pigs on the farm rather than free-ranging. Get an expert for pig farm design. However, you can make the farm shelter slightly sloped for easy cleaning and also set aside feeding points. You can also construct a pool where pigs can bathe and have fun after feeding. The pool should be about 5 feet deep. Always remember to clean the pig pens twice a week and keep the feeder pigs full throughout the day. Identify one corner of the pen and place some beautiful beddings for the pigs. Choosing pig farming breeds. There are thousands and thousands of swine breeds around the world. It is recommended to start with a local kind first in case you are a beginner in the sector. This is because local pig breeds are well adapted to the native climate, and they are also readily available in the market. Some of the popular swine breeds in the market today are Yorkshire, Spotted, Poland China, Landrace, Hampshire, Duroc, Chester White, and Berkshire. Swine feeding process in pig farming. There is plenty of pig feeds in the market, and each feed is used for different purposes like fattening among many others. It is recommended to consider pig feeds that have about 18% crude protein. You should never feed your pigs with table scraps and garbage. Provide your pigs with green vegetables to help them stay healthy. Avoid giving the meat since they're likely to add a lot of weight which can decrease profits. Therefore, provide your pigs with about 1/2 cup of corn oil 2 times each day mixed with 1 egg 2 times each day and a 1/2 cup of milk replacer powder twice a day. 1 tablespoon corn oil is also necessary. Get Sira Farm Pig ebook in the description and comments section. This is ebook talk how to manage pig in any weather, and also the ebook talk feed nutrition and disease management. So you don't have to worry if you are a beginner or you are planning to start pig farming business. Get Sira Farm Piggery ebook in the description and comments section. Pig shelter. Identify a clean environment for setting up a shelter for your pigs. The area selected should be free from pollution to be a successful pig farmer. The area should make it easy to practice waste management since they can be dangerous to the piglets. Design the house of the pigs with lamps so that they can provide heat during cold spells and light at night. Clean the house the pig livestock regularly to make it viable for farming pigs. Clean housing makes the pigs add weight rapidly, hence considerable returns in the long run. Health and diseases in pig farming. Pigs' production depends on the well-being of the animals. Pig farm animals tend to be profitable if all the animals are healthy. Consider consulting a professional vet for diagnosis in case you notice some weird symptoms such as low appetite, diarrhea, eye discharge, excessive coughing, hernia, dry skin and irregular spots on the surface, excessively long hair, backbone showing, etc. It is advisable never to slaughter pig farm animals that are on antibiotic medications for about 21 to 45 days. Consult a vet before considering to sacrifice them for tests. The pig antibiotics take long to dissolve in the blood, and they are unhealthy for humans. Summary/conclusion. Pig farming is a lucrative and most profitable business to start in the rural areas. However, pig breeders need to undergo some training to read more from this great practice. Pig farming in India is meeting the economic needs of the local people, and it is also an enjoyable business to venture into it. To farm pigs effectively, the breeder is supposed to provide healthy feeds and design a suitable shelter for both the sow pig and boar pig. Poor management of the pigs results in low returns when you are practicing on a small scale or large scale. Practice modern pig farming to earn more profits. You should note that hog farming is not an easy task, but it is a quite attractive business to venture. Invest some right amount of money and follow the above listed steps for pig raising ideas. Good luck. Do you have any questions, suggestions, or other contributions? Kindly use the comment box provided below for all your contributions. You are also encouraged to please kindly share this video with others you feel can benefit from this information if found useful enough, as we may not be able to reach everyone at the same time. Thank you so much for sharing.